In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see, the same hotel location here is surrounded by attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to third year stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. See on the screen details like room size, bed type, view, amenities, facilities, and activities, etc. Category 3. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is attractive. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. The categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policies. So the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, then you can subscribe on the channel and subscribe on the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our content. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends will meet